Welcome to YISD Hour of Code Week, Minecraft skywriting. So today we're going to be writing in the sky. Click the C on your keyboard and click New Project. Now we're going to name this project Skywriter. Type in Skywriter and I'm going to click Create. Alright, here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I need to look at the on start because that's where my program is going to go. Now to get to the skywriting, I need to go to blocks. So I click on blocks. And now I'm going to scroll down where it says print. And I'm going to pull print in here. And right now it's going to print hello. But you know what? I'm from Texas, where I'm not going to put hello. I'm going to put howdy. And I'm going to change the type of block from a block of grass to, let's do something really fancy here. How about some TNT? So I click on TNT. And notice my coordinates are 0, 0, 0. I'm going to leave that alone for right now. I'm going to go ahead and push the play button, and I'm going to see what happens. Let me turn myself around here so I can see what the sky is writing. There's my howdy that I just had it right, and it wrote it all in TNT. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to move down a little ways here. Notice I'm not that far off the ground. Okay, and that's at 0, 0, 0 for the coordinates. So we're going to move down just a little ways and we're going to do it again. But this time we're going to change the middle coordinate to 3. We're going to see what that does. So I push play again and now it's spelling out howdy again. There's my first howdy right there. And here's my second one. Notice that the first one is a lot lower to the ground than my second one. And I just went up 3. 3 blocks. Everything else is the same. It spelt out my word correctly, as I typed it out correctly. So obviously that middle coordinate is about the height of where my letters are going to go. Okay, so I'm going to do it again, but this time I'm going to add a second word. So I wonder if I add another block in here. So I'm going to click on blocks again. I'm going to go back down to print. Here it is. I'm going to put it right underneath. This time I'm going to write partner in here. You know, howdy, partner. And I'm going to change that from a block of grass to, right over here. I like this one right here, to the moss stone. And I'm going to leave this one at 0, 0, 0. So the other one is going to be at 0, 3, 0. And this one will be at 0, 0, 0. So let's see what the difference is here. There's writing out howdy. And right in front of that, it is writing the word partner. And again, you will notice that the howdy is a lot higher than the partner is. So that middle coordinate, again, is adjusting for the height. Now, I'm wondering if I can put both words on the same line. I wonder if that print will allow me to print more than one word. So I'm going to delete this second print. And in my top print, my howdy, I'm going to write howdy with a comma and partner. And I'm going to leave it the 0, 3, 0. I'm going to see if this prints. So I'm going to back away a little bit so I can see it writing in the sky. There's my howdy. There's a comma and partner. Wow! That means I could write like a whole bunch of words in one line. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. So writing in the sky is really easy. And I'm sure if I went up to 6 or 8 or 10 or 12 on that middle coordinate, it would go way high in the sky. Hey, we got a little time. Let's check it out. I'm at 3 right now. So I'm going to erase that 3. I'm going to put a 6 in there. Let's see what that looks like. Whoa, yep, it's a lot higher. You can definitely see that. So if I probably put like 12, it would be pretty high. Wow. Learning a lot today about writing in the sky. I wonder what else I can find in this blocks part of the code. Wow, looks like I can test for things for certain blocks. I can fill, I can clone. There's a lot of stuff in there. Maybe you should check it out. I know I want to now. Thank you for watching today.